Hello. Welcome to Master English. Today we're going to cover the tense I or E sounds from our International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and repeat after me. Machine, unique, pizza, police, marine, magazine, routine, antique, concrete, caffeine. Now, let's try some sentences. The first word is machine. Number 1. I used the machine to print the documents. Number 2. The machine is broken and needs repair. Number 3. She operates the machine every day at work. The next word is unique. Number 1. His art style is very unique and stands out. Number 2. Each snowflake has a unique shape. Number 3. They found a unique solution to the problem. The next word is pizza. Number 1. We ordered a large pizza for dinner. Number 2. The pizza was topped with extra cheese. Number 3. She loves making homemade pizza. The next word is police. Number 1. The police arrived at the scene quickly. Number 2. He spoke to the police about the missing dog. Number 3. The police are investigating the incident. Great! The last word in this set is marine. Number 1. The marine biologist studies ocean life. Number 2. They went on a marine expedition last summer. Number 3. Marine animals are adapted to live in the sea. Great work! Let's review the vocabulary one more time. Machine, unique, pizza, police, marine, magazine, routine, antique, concrete, caffeine. Excellent! You're doing great! You are now on your way to becoming a native speaker. Be sure to check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description, along with the lesson notes for this video. Thank you for joining me today. And see you in the next video.